here. It has been a while and we're back with more video reviews. So today I'm gonna do video review together with Batman Fans Malaysia. Figure ni yang kita dapat daripada WHP Distributors untuk kita orang buat review, dan hari ni saya akan buat video review on the Minifigures blind pack. So ni kotak dia. Kalau pergi mana-mana retail store or toy shops, they will sell in this box, but but inside the box kita ada capsule, small capsule macam ni. So saya akan buka ni satu-satu dan kita akan tengok any figures yang ada dalam ni, macam yang dah tunjuk dekat sini. So dia kata ada 20 plus collection. So dalam ni ada saya tak ingat berapa ada dalam ni, tapi yang pasti lebih daripada 20. So kita akan tengok, mungkin ada repeat figures. So saya akan buka satu-satu and show to you all what are the figures inside. Okay? Alright, so let's get on with it. So as you all can see, ni kotak dia yang sepenuhnya. Again, dia cakap 20 plus to collect. That means dekat depan ni dia ada tunjuk 12 je. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, ada 12 je dekat sini. Tapi dia kata ada 20 plus, so maksudnya dalam ada lebih daripada 12. So mungkin ada repeat figure ataupun ada figure yang kita tak nampak dalam gambar kat depan ni. So kotak dia cantik. Ini kalau kita beli one whole box lah, which will cost hundreds of ringgit. So kalau jual dekat toy store or retail, dia akan jual dalam individual capsule. Buka dalam ni dan dia ada yang macam ni. So individual capsule dalam ni. So saya akan buka satu-satu. I will open each one and reveal to you guys all the amazing minifigures from the collection. Of course, again, this is by Spin Master, as you can see here, by Spin Master. Now, okay, let's get on with it. Saya akan buka satu-satu, tapi saya akan tunjuk yang dah dibuka lah. Tak ada saya nak buka semua. Okay, alright. Okay, so saya dah kira dalam dia ada, dalam kotak tadi tu ada 24 capsules. So before we open, kita tengok dulu macam mana rupa kapsul dia. So kapsul ni konon-kononnya supposed to be like Batman punya capsules from dia punya utility belt. So kita tengok sini ada tulis Batman, and then DC, minifigure, Spin Master, and then all sorts of the warning and attention labels and whatnot. And important warning, imported by whatnot semua. And then at the top we have, I'm guessing this is the top lah. So we have the DC logo embedded in it, nice. And then below we have the Batman logo. Now I'm gonna open this up and see what's the inside. Alright, cool. So to open this up, you just look for the tempat nak koyak tu, the tear off part over here. So just open up, put your fingernail in there and just pull and get off the label too, and then just twist open, and let's see what's inside. Let's see what we have here. There you go. We have a Robin. There you go. We have a Robin in here. Nice. So this is I'm guessing this is Damian Wayne Robin. So you can see the figure is quite detailed. Very nice for a small figure. It's really detailed. I don't see any messy paint jobs, very nice soft plastic or soft rubber for the cape, and everything else feels very steady. It's soft plastic or soft rubber, but very, very steady. Alright, and then inside we also have there you go, collect them all. Kita ada macam dia punya pamphlet brochure kat sini, and then ada Batman, Batwing, Black Canary, Harley Quinn, Huntress, the Joker, Man-Bat, Mr. Freeze, Nightwing, Robin. And tengok ni, dia kata super rare Batman and rare Nightwing. From the looks of it, Nightwing ni macam sama je, but maybe ada a different paint job. But Batman is totally different. This figure Batman is totally different. Oh look, dia kata sini display figure on canister. Now I understand. So maksudnya ambil canister ni, tutup balik. Oh, tak tutup pun tak apa, tapi yang dot dia punya tags ni, nampak bawah kaki ada lubang kat situ. There's a hole there, and then you can put your figure on top of this canister, and boom, there you go, for purpose display. Very nice. So okay, now I'm going to open the other 23 canisters, and I'm going to show you each one what we have in there. Do we have the exact do we get all this like what it says over here, or do we have something that is not in here? So okay, let's see. So okay guys, saya dah buka ke semua 24 kapsul. I've opened all 24 canisters, and these are all the figures, the awesome minifigures inside. So what you see on the pamphlet here is all that they have lah. Semua yang ada kat sini ni memang apa yang ada kat situ. So tak ada extra figure. What I mean is tak ada figure yang tak ada dekat sini. Semuanya ada yang kat sini. Dan so as you can see, memang ada repeat minifigures lah dalam ni. So kita ada, okay, kita ada 2 Man-Bat, kita ada 2 Mr. Freeze, Nightwing kita ada 3, termasuk dengan yang rare punya. Robin kita ada 2, kita ada 2 Robin. Okay, Batman, this Batman we have 1, 2, we have 2. This one also kita ada 2. Batwing kita ada 1. There's only 1 Batwing in this collection. Only 1 Black Canary. Only 1 Harley Quinn. Ada 2 Huntress and 2 Jokers. So that's it. That's all the minifigs that are available in one box. So sorry. So I don't know. Okay, this is the super rare Batman. I don't know how super rare is super rare, because I have 2 of this in here. So out of 24, there are 2 chances for you to get the super rare Batman. And then the rare Nightwing, among the 3 that I see, one of them has a slightly different paint job, which I will review in a while. Among those 3, and what's rare for me is actually the bagi saya lah, rare tu maksud dia limited numbers in the collection. So kalau bagi saya lah, yang rare tu is actually Batwing, Black Canary, Harley Quinn. Sebab antara 3 ni ada 1 je dalam the big box tu. Nampak ni, 1 Black Canary, Batwing, and 1 Harley Quinn. Yang lain tu ada repetitive, even yang super rare dengan rare tu pun. So okay, ni saya tunjuk keseluruhan dia semua. So let's get into the reviews of the minifigures. I will show you each of the different reviews for the minifigs. Alright. So, Batman fans, here you go. These are the 13 different minifigs that available in the one whole set of 24 capsules. So kat sini ada 14 sebab sini ada 2 Nightwing, sebab saya nak tunjuk perbezaan dia, yang the difference of the rare dengan tak rare punya, kononnya according to the pamphlet lah. So kita ada 13 different minifig dekat sini. So daripada 24 tu, there's a high chance that you will not get a repeat figures lah if you buy a few. Sebab kalau tengokkan dia punya serial number, for me, I don't know, there's no way to tell what figures come in which capsule, because dia punya serial number ni semua sama je. It's the exact same number, tak ada different langsung between the capsules. So probably it's betul-betul blind lah, you don't know which one you get. But if any of you know, there's a way for you to know which figure that you will get, let us know at our write down in the comments. Let us know in the BFM page. Up to you guys. So kita akan tengok figure-figure ni dulu. So kita start dengan Batwing. So ni Batwing, as you know, he's another sidekick or a superhero on itself, portrayed by Lucius Fox's son. So the figure itself, okay, make the plug keluar lah. Figure itself is very nicely detailed. Cuma sekejap nak focus, sorry, cannot focus, too close. So it's very nicely detailed. Paint job, as far as I can see, tak ada yang sloppy pun. Everything seems perfect. So we have Batwing over here, nice pose. Quite hard plastic or hard rubber, tak boleh nak bend sangat, which is good because this is not a posable figure, it's just a static figure. So we have Batwing here. Okay, now we have Batman. Now this Batman and this Batman are the same. These two are the same actually, but one comes with full color and the other one comes silver and black, or rather black and white lah. So this one also ada, this one ada satu je dalam collection ni, the black and white. And then we have this Batman, and then we have this, another type of Batman. This one comes with a stand on its own because cara dia pose tu memang susah lah kalau nak letak figure ni atas canister ni. So dia bagi stand on its own. And then this is Nightwing. And then ni yang super rare Batman, yang dalam pamphlet dia kata super rare. And then we have the Joker. There you go, we have the Joker over here. Also again, nicely done, nicely detailed. Back. Oops, sorry. And then we have Black Canary. Also very nicely done, nicely painted. Ni pun paint job kat muka pun nampak flawless. Nice paint job, I'm impressed. And then we have Huntress. Pun very, very nice. And then we have Robin. Oh, sorry, again. Oh, shit, terlanggar je kamera ni. Right, we have Robin over here. But this Robin feels a little bit soft than the rest. Cape dia macam soft and kaki dia pun a bit soft. But other than that, still steady. And then this is the other Batman, tadi dah tunjuk dah. Okay, now Harley Quinn. Again, Harley Quinn ada satu je dalam collection ni. So most likely lagi susah lah nak dapat. But again, nicely sculpted and nice paint. Awesome. Okay, we have Man Bat over here. Oh, sorry, tak sampai. Ah, there you go. Now we have Man Bat. Very menacing looking Man Bat. For a small figure, this is nicely done. And the paint job and the sculpt of this figure is very nice. I like it. And there's of course there's two-tone of brown color over here. The body is one type of brown and the hair also another type of brown color. And last but not least, we have Mr. Freeze. Mr. Freeze ni actually I think is one of my favorites. Sebab very, very steady. Boleh move sikit-sikit. Soft rubber dia, tapi it's not soft, actually it's quite hard rubber. Dekat sini memang boleh rasa macam keras lah. Ni pun nicely done, transparent looking helmet tu. And the color is impressive. You have this like a metallic blue over here, metallic teal color, I don't know. Very nice. Superb paint job. So these are all the 13 figures that you will get in the set lah, dalam set box tu. So now I'm going to show you the difference of Nightwing, the rare Nightwing and the so-called not rare one. So as you can see, these two, oh sorry, let me focus a bit. Alright, now these two, you can see there's a different paint scheme. One is sort of like a black and blue metallic, and the other is like a solid one. Now tengok dalam pamphlet dia, saya tak sure yang mana satu yang rare yang mana tak, tapi bagi saya lah sekarang ni, kalau ikutkan color scheme or paint job, this one nampak macam lebih rare or rather exclusive because of the metallic paint. This one is the solid paint job. But dalam tiga yang ada tu, dua daripada tu ialah metallic punya color. Yang satu ni, yang solid ni, this is solid punya color ni ada satu je. So kalau nak kata rare, I would say the solid color is the rare one and the metallic is not the rare punya lah. So ada dua jenis kat situ. There are two types of paint job for Nightwings. Okay, two types of Nightwings. There's one and okay, there you have it guys. Thank you for watching. Cukup review untuk hari ni. Semua 13 figure saya dah tunjuk, plus the other repeat figures saya dah tunjuk semua. So final say, this is actually kind of impressive for me. I'm amazed by all this minifig 2-inch, I think, done by Spin Masters, blind pack. And if you like such small statues minifig that you want to collect, this is actually a good option for you guys, because this, even though it's small, but the quality feels great for me. It's not flimsy, it's very sturdy, it's very nicely painted, and the sculpt for each figures is very I would say very spot on, very awesome. So again guys, this I would recommend you guys to get this in minifigs for your collection. So I will end my video here. Thanks for watching. So kalau ada apa-apa comments ke nak bagi tahu kita orang how to improve the video, contact us at BFM page in FB or in our YouTube or even our Instagram, Batman Fans Malaysia official. So please like my channel, please subscribe to my videos and my channel, and I will end my video here. So have a great day guys. Remember, be Batman.